have gathered here in this august ceremony to honor 7 valiant martyrs of the Indian Armed Forces who had made their supreme sacrifice during the Liberation War of Bangladesh in 1971. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to begin this ceremony, it is our great pleasure to invite the Honorable Prime Minister of the Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, to deliver her speech. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, distinguished ministers, respected family members of the martyrs, respected war veterans of Bangladesh Liberation War, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum. A very good afternoon to you all. I am greatly honored to be present here at a very unique event to pay tribute to some very special Indian friends who sacrificed their lives for the independence of Bangladesh. On behalf of the people and the government of Bangladesh, I acknowledge the debt of gratitude to the martyrs and their families. In his historic speech of the 7th March 1971, Father of the nation Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman called upon Bengalis to fight for liberation of Bangladesh. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib said, I quote, "This time the struggle is for our freedom. This time the struggle is for our independence," unquote. He declared the independence on the 26th March 1971 before he was arrested. Responding to the call of Bangabandhu, the whole nation fought against the Pakistani occupation forces and earned ultimate victory on the 16th December. We are grateful to the government and the people of India for their extraordinary support to war of liberation. Many valiant soldiers of Indian Armed Forces had sacrificed their lives for the liberation of Bangladesh. We always remember with gratitude their contributions and sacrifices. This is a long cherished moment as we are today remembering those who laid down their lives. Dear friends, the initiative to recall the contribution of foreign friends of the Liberation War of 1971 and honor them was taken up by my government in 2009. We have started this in July 2011 when we conferred the Bangladesh Freedom Award, the highest civilian award for a foreign nation, on the former Indian Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi. We continued with giving honors to former Indian Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee and President Sri Pranab Mukherjee. Ladies and gentlemen, history of Bangladesh has been written by the blood of the Indian martyrs along with valiant freedom fighters of Bangladesh. They fought together for the independence of Bangladesh. The story of their sacrifice will be remembered from generation to generation in our own countries. Let the souls of the martyrs rest in peace. Let us celebrate the lives of our heroes. Distinguished guests, the martyrs of India and Bangladesh who fought together in 1971 are blessing us from the heaven. Let us reiterate our resolve to work together for shared peace and prosperity. Let us pledge to work closely to materialize the dreams and aspirations of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib for establishing Bangladesh as a golden Bangladesh. I thank you all. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu, may Bangladesh live forever, long live Bangladesh India friendship. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, for your valuable words.